Managing a wind farm means constant challenges, optimizing production, cutting costs, and keeping turbines performing at their best. With Farsight, this becomes easy, fast, and accessible. Let me show you how. The Wind Analysis module puts the most important data of your wind power plants at your fingertips. The power curve lets you compare real output against the OEM reference curve. Here, for example, we can see a slight underperformance around 12.5 meters per second, suggesting a quick check on blade aerodynamics or pitch settings. The wind distribution chart shows the most frequent wind speeds at your site, overlaid with Rayleigh and Weibull models. In this case, wind speeds peak between 4 and 5 meters per second. Crucial insights to verify if your turbines are optimized for prevailing conditions. The wind rose highlights the directions generating the highest energy yield. Here, winds from 240 and 270 degrees contribute the most. The radar data quantifies each sector, helping you refine your control strategies or schedule maintenance on turbines facing heavier loads. And all of this is available instantly, even with Farsight's free plan. Up to 3 plans and 50 megawatt monitored at no cost, no external consultants and no complex integrations. Just provide your VPN access and start uncovering actionable insights right away. Farsight helps you unlock higher efficiency and reliability for your wind assets, transforming raw data into smarter decisions, faster interventions, and stronger performance. Ready to see the difference in how you monitor your wind assets? Start for free today at farsight.app.